Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at another low market cap cryptocurrency on the Coinbase. This one is called Chrono.tech or Chrono. The token is called Time, as you can see here. So it is an extremely low cap cryptocurrency. It is not that much, but it has over 18 million market cap, and it has extremely low supply, which is around 710k. Okay, so basically what this is an Australian based blockchain company which offers HR solutions. So their token sale occurred on December of 16 to 17, as you can see here. So they 88% of that went to the public sale, and 12% went to the community. So they launched way back in 2027. So because of that, they have actually most of the tokens are in the circulation. So as you can see here, it had a high of around I guess over 400, as you can see. So it didn't made that much big moves. So as of now, it has been actually slowly crawling up back to the highs again. So they found in Sydney, Australia, as you can see here. So they have been around from 2026. So you can actually stake your time tokens and earn rewards as well. So lock your time token in the time rep smart contract and receive regular rewards. Increase your earning by committing to longer. Okay, so basically what their token as of now, it's for staking. So it is unclear where they are getting the revenue for that, because most of the tokens are in the circulation, but they do have some product which offer the time utility. For just in case, they have something called LaborX is a global recruitment platform that connects individuals. So basically this is a freelancing platform. If we do look at the ecosystem, it allows the time is required to get the premium account, so which means that a user must get the time to actually use the platform for the premium one. They also have something called Timex. It is an exchange which also requires time to sell and swap. So basically that also has a good utility. So if we go, okay, so this is their platform. If we do look here, so this is their exchange as well. So which means let's just look at how many downloads they have. So this is their actually this does not seem that much. Okay, so they have over just 5k downloads, so which means they do not have that much user base. So in terms of their pay and earn for crypto, so basically you also need something called time for that. So they also have over 34k gigs, which is pretty good. So their platform is actually being used for something of utility. So another thing they have is called PaymentX, which is basically, I believe, a payment app for their ecosystem. And they also have something called AUDT, which is basically a fiat based stable coin with 100% reserve of the Australian dollar. So which means they have pretty much good things going on. So in terms of the potential in the future, we need to look at some their roadmap. So this is their roadmap for the 2024. So basically they have shared some token info. The native time token introduced in 2007 plays a vital role in our journal structure with a maximum supply. So they have a maximum supply, there won't be more than this supply. So 88% went to the public sale and 12% went to the team. Time served various purposes, including premium status on the LaborX and participation in the time web staking. So basically you can use your time token in for LaborX account and time web staking. So just a second, I wanted to look at their staking because uh, actually I want to see how they are giving out this reward. So they have stake your time and earn ongoing. So basically time token distributed, so they have distributed over this token. So they have over 850k stickers, and you can actually get 14.11% APY, and this is a yearly. So that is pretty decent if you look at it. So I think how they are achieving this is because of the pool. So this I think they have, okay, so they are a liquidity pool. Basically you can stake your token. Okay, so I think you can stake your token for the time, And they also have, just a second, let's try to figure it out how are they actually achieving this. So time token, if we look at the time wrap and the time token, time can be staked. Okay, just a second, how are they actually providing this reward? That is something we have to look at. Okay, so Chrono.tech generates profit from the business activity throughout its ecosystem of products and services. A portion of these profits will be used to buy tokens from the open market, which will be stored in a dedicated wallet, a time fund, at regular intervals. Currently, once a week, these time tokens will be distributed. Okay, so basically what they are doing, they are actually using their profit to give out to the users. So that is a pretty sustainable ecosystem, but for that their token must, their demand must, the platform demand must increase. So as of now they are providing a pretty decent APY. That means they have a low time, they do not have that many stakers. If the stakers do increase, I think the reward will probably decrease as well. So as of now they do have pretty good utility going on behind their back. So if you look at it, so what they are doing, they are actually making some key directions in for their LabRx platform. So they are actually scaling platform user to 200k. So they are also trying to expand their LabRx platform to bring more demand for the time token. In terms of they have also focused on marketing goals as well. So partnerships development, charting growth trajectory. So they also are focusing on their increasing their ecosystem, which could also be good. But the problem with this roadmap is that they have not given an actual dates on what they will be developing and which new products they will be launching. So which couldn't be a bad, because if we had some kind of idea when those updates will come, we could actually predict when the price of time may go up. But they are providing sustainable growth for their staking and sustainable revenue for their staking, which is pretty big point for any crypto project. So most of the projects actually provide staking rewards in terms of their token, which are actually vested from their vestings. But the Chrono time is actually providing some sustainable growth. So in terms of their company, they were founded in 2016, and as you can see here, they have over 22 two business development, two operational, two developments, three marketing and PR, creative and research. So their team is actually pretty big in terms of, I think it accumulates to over 30 team members, and these are their founders. You can see their CEO is Sergey, and their chief operating officer is Andre, and this is their chief technical officer. So overall the project looks promising, but it is a low cap. That means if they get some of the volume, it will probably go up. So in terms of availability, I think it's available on many exchanges. It's available on PancakeSwap, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Get.io. Of course it's not available on big exchange, but still this is a pretty decent listing. So in terms of its price, I think if we just a second, so it has the lowest, so it has the biggest volume on Coinbase, which could be expected over 300k. In terms of its price, it just rejected this level, which may not be a good for the time, because I think it is going down. So I think it is and if you are interested in this one, I think the first entry would be around $20. As you can see, this is a pretty good support, but it has rejected this level 3 times, so that means it could be actually going down here. So I think if you are planning to get entry, this is a low cap, it is a high potential to go up, but it is also the riskier at the same time. You have to be careful with this one. So in terms of another entry which I think is pretty good is around $16, which is pretty extremely good, as you can see here. And this demand zone, I think, needs to get filled. It did get filled here, as you can see here, but still I think this could be actually a good play. If not, you can actually enter at this point as well. This is a pretty good entry point as well. I know these are around $14, as you can see. I know these are very low entry points, but I think you will be able to get the entries because it is a low cap, and if the BTC does go down, I think these will be the quick sniper entries which you can get. So this entry is also pretty good. If not, these are pretty good. So if not, I think you can also enter here as well if you are planning to go risk, if you are planning for a risky trade. If not, these are the, if not, you can actually enter around $19, 19.73 or $19, and even $18 as well. So these are the entries which I'm looking at. And in terms of price action, I think it could actually go over even $100 if the demand does come, because it is an extremely low cap cryptocurrency, and that means that it has a high potential in terms of growth if it does start to go up. So for it to go up, I think it did try to break out here, but unfortunately it did not keep up. So this breakout could have been actually pretty good, as you can see here, but it did not actually hold this one. So if it does go up from this level, I think it could be heading to $100 as well, because it is a low cap and it only requires small money to move its price up. So I hope this video was informative. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.